Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to take another look at servlets in the HTTP server code in VA Smalltalk. Take a little deeper look at this. You see, the last time we did this, we just ran it and brought things up in a browser to show you that things worked. And this is pretty much the way you run this. You get a server specification set up, and I'm going to go down to that server specification. So let's scroll down here, and you can see that we've got the server app specification over here. Example one over here, and we've got our context path set up, so you see the app name and the context path. The thing I wanted to go through today that I didn't go through last time were these servlets. So I'm going to define a servlet over here, so I give it a name, over here, I give it the path, I give it the load at startup and initial parameters, and then down here I have to add it to my map. So I have example, I have echo, and notice they all map to example. So I have these three servlets here that I wanted to take a look at. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to my servlet, and I'm going to go to the example servlet where these things are running. We'll go over here on the instance side where the code is. And you can see here we have the way things work. Do echo, we get the servlet request, and then we just write some basic boilerplate into the header, and we write some basic boilerplate for the basic HTML. And then you notice down here, all you got to do is put together your HTML and add various things to it. So the get requested URL encoding, so you get all these things. And then you write to the stream. So you've got a stream that you're just going to write stuff out to. So we're going to put various things in here. And then finally, at the bottom, you just answer the contents. So basically, you get your servlet request. You pull information out of that. You put together your response by writing to the stream. And at the bottom, you just answer the contents. And that's really all you have to do for this. Most of the boilerplate's set up for you. You can customize this any way you want. And then you can just have a web app that looks, for all intents and purposes, like a JSP or an ASP. But you've got dynamic Smalltalk code serving it, and you've got all the advantages of Smalltalk. I run my own web server using a VisualWorks one of these, but it's structured almost identically in terms of how servlets are set up. So if you want to make a patch to your server, it's as easy as changing Smalltalk code. So it's better for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.